Welcome to GearSpixel, everyone! Have you ever stood in front of a dazzling array of modern cameras, wondering which one's right for you? I totally get it. With so many options in the Fujifilm lineup, it can feel overwhelming. Maybe you're like me, just wanting a camera that's easy to use to capture life's beautiful moments, like a family gathering or a peaceful afternoon in the garden without all the fuss. Don't worry. Today at GearSpixel, we'll explore the Fujifilm range together to find the one that fits you perfectly and brings joy every time you snap a shot. Let's start with the Fujifilm X-T5. As someone who's loved photography for years, I know a good camera should take great pictures and feel comfortable to hold. The X-T5 does just that with its 40-megapixel resolution. Photos come out crystal clear, from your grandkids' smiles to stunning mountain views. It's got those classic dials that make it simple to adjust, perfect for anyone who enjoys the old-school photography feel, and it's compact enough to take anywhere, whether you're strolling through town or soaking in nature. Priced at about $1,700 in April 2025, it's a bit of an investment, but it's a trusty companion for wall-worthy shots or carefree outings. Next up is the Fujifilm X-H2. This one's not only great for photos like the X-T5, but also lets you record 8K video, sharp enough to see every detail, perfect if you want to save family stories or travel memories to watch later. It's sturdier and feels more solid than the X-T5, so you'll feel confident using it even in trickier conditions, like a windy day or out in the fields. At around $2,000, it's a step up in price. But if you love both snapping photos and filming without switching gear, this is a wonderful choice. Now let's talk about the Fujifilm X-H2S, a powerhouse for capturing fast moments. Love shooting sports, birds, or grandkids running around? This camera snaps 30 photos a second with spot-on focus, so you won't miss a thing. Its 4K video at 120 frames per second makes everything smooth and lively, like watching a little movie of your happy day. It can also do 6.2K, handy for sharing on social media. Priced at about $2,500, it's on the higher side, but if you need a quick, tough camera that keeps up with life, it's well worth a look. Alright, here's the Fujifilm X-S20. I think this one's a fit for most of us. If you want to capture a bit of everything, family photos, pretty scenery, or short videos, it's got you covered. With 26 megapixel photos that look gorgeous and 6K video that's nice and clear, plus 4K at 60 frames per second for smooth playback, it's a gem. The new battery lasts longer, so you won't worry about it dying midday. It's got just one memory card slot and no weather sealing, but at around $1,300, it outshines older models like the X-T4 or X-T3, a great deal for a camera that does so much. Finally, we've got the Fujifilm X-T30 II. I remember how excited I was starting out with photography, just wanting something simple that took nice pictures. And this is it. With 26 megapixels, it gives you sharp, lovely photos, and it's small enough to carry on a walk. It's super easy for beginners, though it doesn't have stabilization or weather sealing. Still, the quality is solid, great for snapping flowers or family moments. At just $1,000, it's the cheapest here and a perfect way to step into the Fujifilm world without spending too much. Pixel today, We've covered 5 Fujifilm cameras: the X-T5, X-H2, X-H2S, X-S20, and X-T30 II. Each one's got its own strengths. It's all about what you love to shoot and how you want to carry it. I've picked these as the standout options for 2025, hoping it helps you see which one's your match. The best camera is the one that feels right for you and makes you happy to use. Got questions? Leave a comment below. I'll do my best to reply. Don't forget to like and follow Gearspixel for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.